Hello students, today we will learn about advanced features of word processor. In the previous lesson you have learned some formatting features as well as page settings options. In this lesson you will learn about drawing tools besides focusing on some editing and formatting tools. Let us begin by learning the method to find the text in MS Word. When you are working with larger documents, Word provides a facility to search your document using the Find feature and change words or phrases using the Replace option. To find a particular word or phrase in the current document, follow these steps. Click on the Find drop-down button in the Editing group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. The navigation pane appears on the left side of the document window. Type the text that you want to find in the Search document box at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview will be displayed in the navigation pane. Or select the Advanced Find option from the drop-down menu of the Search document text box. The Find and Replace dialog box appears as shown in the figure. Click on the Find Next button. The search word will get highlighted in the document. Subsequent clicking on the Find Next button will highlight the other occurrences, if any, of the searched text. After finishing the search, Word displays a message. Word has finished searching the document. Click OK. Click on the More button if you want to widen your search criteria. Let me give you some tips. If you click on the Match Case checkbox, it will search the text with a similar case that you have typed in the Find What text box. If you select the Find Whole Words Only checkbox, it will match the complete word. Otherwise, it will also search those words where it finds the first matching letters. For example, if you have typed the in the Find What text box and not clicked on the Find Whole Words Only option, it will also search the word they, then, their, etc. because the first three letters of these words start with the. Students, let us take a quick view. Use the following shortcut keys to carry out different operations. Ctrl+F to open navigation pane to find the text. Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace dialog box. Escape key to cancel a search. Let us understand how to replace the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the given procedure. Click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. In Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. In the Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. Click on the More button to select other options if required. Click on either the Replace or Replace All or Find Next or Cancel button as needed. When Word has finished searching for the word and made replacements, a message box appears. Click OK. Let me give you some tips. Replace button changes the current searched text with the new text given in the Replace With text box. Replace All button replaces all the searched text with the new text at once. Find Next button will highlight the next occurrence of the text that it searches. Cancel button is used to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Students, in the Microsoft Office Word 2007, finding and replacing text within a document is done by following the same steps as mentioned above. Okay, let me explain you about working with shapes. The Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to add various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. to your document. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert a shape, follow these steps. Select the Insert tab and click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars, and banners, etc., as shown in the figure. Select a shape from the drop-down menu. As here, we have selected the smiley face from the Basic Shapes category. The pointer changes into crosshair symbol. Click and drag the mouse on the working area until the selected shape appears in the desired size. To rotate the shape, drag the green handle. When the shape is selected, a new tab named Format appears on the menu bar under the Drawing Tools category. To add a quick style to the shape, choose any option from the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. To display more styles option, click on the More drop-down menu and choose any visual style for the shape or line. Okay, let's take a quick view. You can zoom the document using mouse. Press the Ctrl key and move the mouse wheel forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out. Placing text in shapes. You can also insert text in the shape. To add text in a shape, select the desired shape and right-click on it. Select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears in the object. Now type the text.